Hey everyone, in this guide, I'll show you how to check your favorites in Dola AI in 2026 step by step, so you can quickly access the bots, chats, or tools you use most. First, log into your Dola AI account using your browser or desktop app. Once you're inside the dashboard, look for a section labeled Favorites or a star icon. This is usually visible in the sidebar or top menu depending on your interface. Click on the Favorites section to open it. Here you'll see a list of all the chats, AI bots, templates, or tools that you've marked as favorite. Items are typically organized in order of recent use or alphabetical order, making it easy to find what you need. If you don't see any items, it means you haven't added anything to favorites yet. To add an item, open a chat, bot, or tool and look for a star icon or Add to Favorites button. Click it, and that item will appear in your favorites list immediately. Once inside your favorites, you can click any item to quickly resume your chat, start a new session, or access a frequently used tool without searching through the entire platform. It's a great way to save time and stay organized. And yeah, that's it. Checking favorites in Dola AI in 2026 is simple once you know where to look. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.